Okay, good afternoon. I'm making our lunch, Arroz Caldo, chicken Arroz Caldo. I'm heating up the pan. I'm going to put oil in it soon. Okay, this is what it looks like. We're sticking the onion. Next, we're going to add the celery. Okay, real quick with the celery. Next, we're going to add the chicken. Add the chicken next, and then the garlic and ginger. Okay, this is how it looks like. Put the ginger and the garlic, all the ingredients together. Now we're going to put it in the big pot next to it. Okay, I added the rice. I think I need to add more rice. I end up putting everything in it. Okay, I'm gonna put the whole rice. Or this is enough. Now I'm gonna taste if I need to put pepper and salt. This is how Arroz Caldo looks like. It's still cooking. I wonder if I should put more rice. Let's see. Taste it first. I should taste it first before I put the rice. Anyways, let's taste it. Okay, we'll put more salt. And pepper. Should taste it again. Oh, it's too peppery. Listen to pepper. Maybe I'll need to add more rice. Looks good. More like chicken rice soup. Maybe when it cools off, it gets thicker. Okay, that's enough for this salt and pepper. Okay, this is option to put egg in the soup, or you can eat it separately. And then here's how the soup look like. It's starting to thicken already. I'm gonna let it sit for a while before eating. Looks yum or yummy or delish. Masarap. Some masarap in Tagalog.